Your engine is suddenly surging wildly while you are cruising down the road, your combustion temperatures are running dangerously high, or maybe your car completely stalls out every single time you pull up to a red light. These incredibly frustrating drivability issues, accompanied by a bright check engine light, are textbook symptoms of a P0406 diagnostic trouble code, which tells you that the exhaust gas recirculation, or EGR, sensor circuit is experiencing an abnormally high voltage reading. The entire purpose of the EGR system is to lower the extreme temperatures inside your combustion chambers and reduce harmful oxides of nitrogen, or NOx emissions. It does this by opening a computer-controlled valve and routing a precisely measured amount of inert, dead exhaust gas right back into the fresh intake manifold. Most modern EGR valves have a built-in position sensor that works exactly like a dimmer switch in your dining room, sending a variable voltage signal to the engine computer so it knows exactly how far the valve is open. When the computer sees that voltage spiked all the way up to 5 volts or higher and staying there, it triggers this code because it thinks the valve is permanently stuck wide open. The absolute most common physical cause for this is years of thick, hardened carbon soot building up inside the exhaust passages, causing a chunk of debris to wedge the EGR pintle completely open, so it constantly chokes the engine with exhaust fumes at idle. A great diagnostic trick you can do right in your driveway is to try starting the stalling engine and immediately unplug the electrical connector from the EGR valve. If the engine miraculously smooths out, you likely have a wiring short holding the solenoid open, but if it still stalls, you probably have a mechanical blockage. You will need to physically unbolt the EGR valve from the engine block, inspect it for massive carbon chunks, and clean it out thoroughly. If the valve is perfectly clean, you need to grab your digital multimeter and test the wiring harness. You are looking for a short circuit where the 5-volt reference wire or the main battery power wire has melted and touched the sensor signal wire. Repairing the damaged wiring will stop the false high voltage reading, fix your stalling problem, and get your engine running cleanly again.